Hi, my name is Caroline, and for Tips and Tricks Tuesday, I'm going to be showing you how to use Violet Toning Shampoo at home. So being the purple shampoo connoisseur that I am, I find that the biggest challenge is how drying all of the products are. So the great thing about our Violet and Frost is that it has grapeseed and sunflower oil in it, so it keeps the hair nice and hydrated and very bright at the same time. So anytime you feel like you've got brassiness or really warm tones in the hair, the Violet is actually going to counteract that and neutralize it to make your blonde appear brighter. You can use Violet Toning Shampoo every time you wash it, but it's recommended that you use it every other time to prevent the shampoo from dimming your hair down too much. So I'm going to take my Violet here and demonstrate how much you should use. I just do a little palmful of it at home, and it does lather up really well, which most shampoos don't, but this will give you a really nice lather. And make sure to let it sit on for about 3 to 5 minutes to get the full benefit of it. Alright, so as you can see here, we've got a nice beautiful blonde balayage, but we could definitely tone out some of the brassiness that's living in the ends. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate about the lather that you're looking for at home. You want to make sure that it's nice and wet so that the product can distribute nice and evenly. And then taking that amount that I showed you, when I apply Violet in the shower, I really make sure that it's dispersed evenly from scalp to end. So if you need a little bit more to get the even pigment, then definitely add a little bit more shampoo. And now we'll let that sit as is for about 3 minutes. So as you can tell, the Frost conditioner has a portion of the Violet pigment in it. But the great thing about this is it's very moisturizing, and it's also going to balance the pH of the hair, which means that it's going to help close that cuticle back down and allow the hair to have a lot more shine in it. So I'm working it through the ends first, then raking it up to the scalp because the ends are what need the most moisture. So for all of you blondes out there, for anyone who feels like you have unneeded or unwanted brassy tones in your hair, definitely use the Violet Toning Shampoo. And again, it's every other time you wash. Leave it on for about 3 to 5 minutes to really get the full deposit of the pigment. Follow it up with your Frost conditioner, and you can let that sit on for about 3 to 5 minutes if you would like as well, but the most pigment is going to live in your Violet Toning Shampoo. So thank you so much for tuning in to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Be sure to tune in next week as well, and we will also have some after pictures of our beautiful model Haley after the video.
Hi, Candy Shaw, the Bali Llama here. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or go to sunlightsbalayage.com to learn more about our classes. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications of all the fresh new ideas, tips, and tricks that we release every week. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.